Uh, First of all, we'd like to congratulate Kaiser Vico and Home Credit for having this event and for inviting us. Thank you for inviting us to have this kind of event. Unang-una is just like Home Credit and Kaiser Vico, we are basically trying our very best to meet the requirements of each individual, not just here in Luzon, but also in Visayas and Mindanao. So, kung ano po ang gusto nyo for our customers, we're really very welcome and happy to support you po with that. Because of your expansion nationwide, we are really also trying to do our very best po, not just for the customers, but also for the financing and dealership para po we are as one with our target. Naniniwala po ako dito sa 1 minute. Kasi po, pagdating pa lang po namin, nakabili na po kayo ng NMAX. So, thank you for promoting Yamaha. This is our way of thanking you and appreciating the we Yamaha are together with you po, with your direction. Again, thank you very much po for having us here, and we are looking forward for more activities and launching like this. Again, thank you very much and congratulations.